We are assembling the travel San Francisco card. So the back of the box card has the Golden Gate Bridge with it. And then we are going to assemble so the two pieces that just have tabs on the sides, these two make up our box. Okay, so they have a tab just on one side. So these are the outside. Then we're going to put this piece here. You just want to center that. I am looking for one of my stylus tools. I don't know where the big one is. So I'm just going and you just arrange these on this however you like. That will go. I think I want to add a little bit of dimension to this. So I'm going to put this on my card and then add there. Okay, so that's the front. So I keep staring at this because I did not reverse my bridge, and so I'm having to work a little bit backwards. This film strip is for you to sign and write a small message on the back. So you just want to layer this with white. Okay. Now let's do our streetcar. Took me a while to come up with a way to make this easy but still have a little bit of detail. So this is several layers. A little headlight. Just a little bit of glue. When you put this on, you want this floor piece to slant the same way that your streetcar is. You're going to line this up to the top of that cutout. So this is like your bench. That's the floor that people stand on. And then we're just going to add just a little bit more detail. There. So there's your streetcar. And now the houses. So I've already put together 2 of them. And you're going to start with this funny looking piece. These are the steps and then some trim. So it's going to be the same width, and then you're going to line the steps up to the bottom. So you just want to line this up right to the bottom and then side to side. And you want to go ahead and put your door on, because this is going to help you determine where to put the next piece of trim. Well, not the next one, because the next one we're going to put on is the top. And if you don't want to mess with these small windows, you could leave them off. I do like what they add, but I think it would look cute without them too. Right. Now we're going to put on the middle trim. So this particular card does have several small pieces. Nothing's too complicated, but it would be harder for small hands to do, you know, like your children. This would be a little bit harder for them to do. Okay. So not too bad. The little homes are the most time-consuming piece to this. But these row homes are kind of what San Francisco is known for. Okay, then fold your tabs. We're going to fold our tabs on this one. This one is the front. Okay, so then to insert, you're going to leave your tabs open. You're going to lay this in right along the back, and then we're just going to glue it here to the side. Okay, now we're going to lay this one on top of that first layer. Now, these tabs are cascading, so you're going to put glue on each one. Not too much glue because you don't want it to ooze out onto the layer behind it. Then we're going to take this side, we're going to fold it over onto that. Get it glued. And there it is, the San Francisco box card. But I have to close it, so we're going to close it up. Okay. Thank you for joining me.